Hey, what is up, people? In this video, we are gonna solve Billu Box 1. So basically, let's start. So first, I will do is do the netdiscover command. You can see the IP I have got, so I have to do it on it. I will run nmap on that IP. So I basically use the aggressive scan and the timeout of 4. Yeah. So let's wait till it reflects the output. Okay, you can see two ports are open here, which is first one is 22 SSH and 80 is HTTP. So what we're gonna do ki we are gonna access the port 80. It means the site. So you can see show me your SQL skills, Billu Box username and password functionality over here. So what we are gonna do that we are gonna do some SQL payload, one SQL payload, because I have tried before, it didn't work. So I'm not gonna waste time here. So you can see the message popping over here, try again. So that's what I'm gonna do now is just do the directory enumeration in order to get the hidden directories. You can basically see the syntax, either the command line popping up over here, go buster directory, then URL, then word list, then file extension. Okay. I will add like .php, JS, txt, bash and the HTML for the extension because I'm not gonna miss any one of them. So you can see the output reflecting over here. So let's first of all go to the show.php file. Let's see whatever it is inside it. So there's nothing inside it. So next I'm gonna do is go to the add.php file if I can see the contents. You can see, I think that much is enough for the directory enumeration part. Then you can see select image to upload. Okay, so you have to enter name, address, and I don't know which number it is. So I will enter any random things over here to check it if it works or not. Then I will just upload a random PNG file. Then I will click on upload. So you can see, I don't think so it is uploaded. So we have to move on from here. Then I'm gonna do is check the test.php file. Oh, I did a mistake over here. Test.php, yes. So you can see a message written over here. File parameter is empty. Please provide the file path in file parameter. Okay, so it means I had to add the file parameter by giving the question mark file then equals to. Then I'm gonna check the ID if it gives us the output no. So what I'm gonna do is go to my burp suite and turn the intercept on, then capture the request first of all. So you can see the test.php with the get request method, get method. So what I'm gonna do that I'm just gonna change the request method and just put a question mark after the test.php. You can see the file not found. I think I should add a file. Then yeah, you can see I can clearly see the etc password file of the target machine. So now what I'm gonna do that I'm gonna back to here and see the source code of index.php if I can get. I will click on send, then yes, I got it. But which things are useful, I have to search for it. whatever it useful I have to extract from here. So where should be yeah, so look at the pass and the user. Yeah, this one, this much part. Let me copy it first and show it to you in my notepad, either Pluma, whatever. Okay, so let's break down it. So you can see that the password field and the username field both are demanding you for backslash in your payload. So basically what I'm gonna do, just the SQL payload, after that I will just add the backslash in both parameters, either both fields. You just have to enter this. Just copy both of them, either one by one. Do it one by one because you have to enter it. So let turn off the proxy, then just go back to the index.php. Let me do back. Oh, document expired. Let me try it again and resend on. Click on resend. Yeah. So let's try the payload. May it works, I don't know, but it should work. Yeah, with backslash, I will just copy this and paste same payload on password field and just click on let's login. Let's log in. After that, you can see we have got into panel.php. Okay. I can add user and show user. So from here, what I'm gonna do is go back to repeater and just see the config file. If yeah, config file c.php. Then I'll click on send. You can see the output. Here is also something juicy over here. You can see. Yeah, this one, let me copy it first. Then I have to paste here. Yeah, you can see. Let me break down it first. The host name will be Billu. Billu, yes. Yeah, Billu. Then the password equals to box underscore Billu. Then the database name, which is ICA underscore lab. Yeah. I think that's the credentials to log on into my phpmy admin. Oh, I'm sorry. So let's check if it exists on the var/html file or not. If it gives error, it means it doesn't install on that. But if it doesn't, yeah, it or returns nothing, it means yes, it is installed. So let's use that basically. So I'm gonna change my part to phpmy and click on enter. You can see phpmy admin page popped up. Now just use the same credentials to log into that. Yeah, Billu, then the password box underscore Billu. Yeah, then press on go. Yeah, now you can see we got the index page. It means we have logged on into that. So you can check for databases. Yeah, you can see the IC underscore lab and the information underscore schema default database. Okay. So yes, so let's move on to here. Now go back to the Bob suite. Now what we're gonna do that we're gonna check the file of config.inc.php if we get something there. So if we'll get to check this, we are getting something. The user and password. Look at the user and password. Let me copy it. Okay, so let me paste it over here. Okay, so you can see the root username and the password root tour. But in which protocol we should log in into, I don't know. So let me do one more time the nmap scan. Okay, so I forgot that the SSH port was open. So let's try and log in into it. So we'll try to do SSH root at the rate the what was the IP with the user and pass. So user will be root of course, and at the rate host it means the IP. Yeah, let me copy it first, then just paste over there. Yeah, and press on enter. The password will be root tour as mentioned before. Root tour. Yes. Yeah, you can see we have got the shell with the root privileges. Also, you can see the ID. Yeah. So basically, we have solved the lab. You can see the CTF. Yes. You can see the kernel version. Yeah. Let me cat etc password file. Yes. The same output we got there. Yeah. So the CTF is solved finally. So thanks for watching.